Okay, zx650 Ninja. That is the radiator stripped out now, rocker covers off, so that could now give me access to the cams to re-shim this, or certainly check the valve clearances and see where they're at, but they were meant to be done like 12,000 miles ago, so I dare say that they're going to be well off. Not only is this getting the engine noise fixed, it's also getting a full service, which includes these shims. So it's going to be spark plugs, re-shimmed, oil filter, air filter, and obviously the other problems addressed. It's turned out to be quite a big job, this, but we're getting there now. We're going to get the whole thing priced up, speak to the customer about it. Now we know exactly what we're dealing with. Speak to him about it, then go from there.